In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear out all leads in Close CRM. Whether you're streamlining your database, getting rid of obsolete information, or simply starting fresh with your leads list, I'll guide you through the process to make it both efficient and hassle-free. To begin, let's navigate to the Leads page within Close CRM. This is essentially the heart of your customer relationship management system, where all your lead information lives. Accessing this page is your first step towards a more organized CRM environment. Now, before we jump into deleting leads, it's crucial to identify exactly which leads you want to remove. You can do this by utilizing the filter or search options. This feature is your best friend when it comes to narrowing down your list to just the leads you want to remove. Think about what qualifies a lead for deletion. Are they outdated? Perhaps you've marked them as unqualified, or maybe you're ending a specific campaign and want to clear out associated leads. Whatever your criteria, use these filters to hone in on the leads in question. Once your list is neatly filtered, it's time to move on to the next step. You'll notice a More button. It looks like 3 dots in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will reveal several options, one of which is Bulk Edit. By selecting this, you're opting to make a change to all the leads you've currently filtered. Within the Bulk Edit action drop-down menu, you want to choose the option to delete the leads. This step is crucial, as it ensures you're performing the correct action to remove the leads from your system. It's a powerful tool that allows you to handle multiple leads at once, rather than going through them one by one, making your task much more manageable. Before you complete this process, you'll need to confirm your decision to delete these leads. This step is particularly important because once you confirm, those leads are gone. It's always a good practice to double-check your selection, ensuring accuracy and avoiding the accidental removal of important information. Once you've confirmed, the system gets to work on processing your request. Close CRM will also send a confirmation email to notify you once the bulk edit or delete process is complete. This email acts as your final assurance that the task has been finished. It's a helpful touch since it provides closure and a confirmation of the actions taken. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully cleared out unwanted leads, keeping your leads page updated and relevant. Keep these instructions in mind whenever you need to perform similar tasks in the future. Thanks for joining me today.